How to add slow motion in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and select the clip you want to apply slow motion to in the timeline. Next, right-click on the clip and choose Change Speed from the menu. In the speed settings, enter a value less than 100% to slow down your video. For example, 50% will make the video play at half speed. Make sure to check the pitch compensation option to keep the audio natural while slowing down the clip. Click OK to apply the changes. Play your video to preview the slow motion effect. Adjust the speed percentage if you want it slower or faster. And that's it. Now you know how to add slow motion in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.